Good morning. So today we are going to talk about parsing the data from our paper plane lab we did the other day. You should see here you've got all your information put in for the plane flights. You'll notice I have no feet or inches or any kind of metric that shows what these are. I just have the base numbers. And we do that because, again, spreadsheets will not interact properly if you have both the numbers as well as the text in a single cell. So we're going to go to average for plane 1, which is cell G2. And you're going to type in equals average, make a bracket, that's shift 9. And today I'll show you that if you just click and drag, you can highlight all the data and see how I have it there. And I'm just going to press shift 0 to close the bracket and push enter, and I will have my average. Then if you click on cell G2 again, you'll notice down here in the bottom right hand corner there's this little blue box. If you highlight over the blue box, it should give you a targeting cursor. And if you click and drag that down to cell G7 and then let go, you'll notice it automatically fills the rest of the cells with averages. Easy enough? Good. Once you have that, you're going to highlight from cell A1 down to cell G7. That's clicking and dragging. And then you're going to go to Insert and Chart. And what that's going to do is it's going to pop up a chart. Mine takes a second like that. And then you can click in the white space and drag it over so you can see both the data and the chart. You notice there's a bunch of different chart types here. There's the columns, there is lines, there is a bunch of charts. Pick whatever you think works best. For me, I tend to like line charts or area charts. And it just works because it shows you a really easy way of what's happening. So with this, for example, I can see that whenever I have drag, it noticeably diminishes my flight time and my flight distance. So once you do this, you're going to turn this in, and then you'll notice there's a new assignment that asks you to parse the data, to basically tell me what is going on. We've talked about flights, time, we've talked about lift, thrust, drag, and weight. So you're going to write a paragraph telling me what happens with the planes when you increase drag. And I get you aren't aerospace engineers, so you're going to kind of be guessing here a little bit, and that's okay. But just tell me what you think. If you have questions, I'm here. I have a meeting today, which is why I'm not in class. But if you have questions, I'm here. Email me, and we can meet. If it's a question I can answer easily, I'll email you back. If it's something that requires more instruction, I will meet with you guys one-on-one this afternoon or tomorrow. Okay? Hope everything goes well. Hope you guys have a great day. Bye.